Welcome back and Merry Christmas. I haven't posted in a while as usual, and I wanted to do a Christmas unboxing. Okay, so the first one was this little thing, and then the gifts are inside. Okay, so I got Pandora earrings. They're like little infinity signs, and they're really cute, but like I don't really like earrings too much, but I still appreciate it so much. Like I appreciate it like a ton. Whole manual and like thing that came with it. I got an Ease Link charm. It's like a cinnamon roll thing. So instead of tapping my bus card, I can just tap this. Lifesaver, literally. If I forget my bus card, I have that. Okay, and then I got earbuds. I got this earbuds, and it's like, I'm so grateful because like this is my first like wireless earbuds, and I will cherish it so much. And like came with this cable and like more like ear buds. Yeah, I'm so grateful for this. Let me just put them inside this little pouch. The pouch is kind of big, and I don't know what I'm gonna use it for, but it's okay. We'll figure it out. Anyways, then my cousins, when they went to Japan, they got me this cute little bag. And yeah, because they went to Disneyland. And then they got me a Kuromi little thing. So cute. And then they also got me this little keychain with this guy on it. And there's a little like Mickey Mouse sushi. It's so cute. And then last but not least, I got a cute little strawberry pajamas. Like, so this is the top. And then this is like the bottom. It's really cute and I love it so much, and I'm probably gonna wear it tonight. But yeah, that's kind of it for my Christmas unboxing. Merry Christmas, everybody. Hope you have a good Christmas this year. Yeah, bye.